guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Topbox and my Boxy charm, as well as I got an order from also Boxy charm. So I'm going to just start with Topbox. This is all September's stuff. Yeah, it's been a hot minute since this stuff got here on a regular timing. So let's just jump right into this Topbox. In here we have some Clarins Paris. This is the it's day and night cream. So multi-intensive jour, which is day, and then nuit. Super restorative day cream, super restorative night cream. So there's two of those. These are very little containers. Always are. That's how big they are. And then there's like, you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of goes like this. Like, so there's not very much in these, but here's those. And then in here is what looks like a full-size product from Estate. And this is in Juicy. And what is this? Wet Matte Liquid Lip. I like the packaging. It looks like it's some sort of fruit. Oh yes, I'm pretty sure I've gotten one of these before. I'm not going to use this because it's a matte lip, so I don't really wear lipstick anymore except for filming. And then there's this in here, and this is from Benefit. This is the Boing Anti-Crease Cakeless, it's called. It doesn't say what color it is in. Fly High Medium Cool, which, whatever it is, probably won't go with my skin tone. Oh, it's a teeny tiny little concealer. That's cute. I will definitely give this a try. I like concealer. It's one of the things I use constantly. Oh yeah, so apparently it's 24-hour waterproof. There's only 14 shades available. So it's full coverage liquid concealer. Okay, so then there's one more thing in here, and this is from Laritzi, and this is cruelty-free and vegan, and it's in Dawn. What is this? Oh, it's a gel liner. So it's just a liner. Well then, that's nice. I would swatch that, but not keeping that. So Topbox, you've outdone yourself. I'm keeping this out of all of the products. I'd have a lipstick, a gel liner, a day and night cream. Well, it's okay. So let's start with the stuff I bought from Boxy Charm. So I used my points from Boxy Charm from getting brushes, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush in 7B. So it's got the 5 like that. The spoolie and then the eyebrow thing. And then I picked this up, and this is the Dr. Brandt Glow. This is the retinol under eye cream with ruby contacts, ruby crystal complex. So this is what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure some people have gotten this in their Boxy Charm. I have not, so I wanted to pick that up. And then let's jump into the Boxy Charm. So this is this is definitely from September. So that's what it looks like. This box is huge. Do they run out of small boxes? Like, this is insane. So this is Start Your Runway, or wow, I can read. It's called Strut Your Runway. This is what's in it. Okay, so they obviously ran out of small boxes. Luckily, it looks like everything's okay in here. So let's just go into this. And this is from Cosmetics. I think it's called Cosmetics. And it is a brush set, and this is like a rubber brush, and then this is, oh, that's how you do it, one of those, like it's a very dense brush. I don't know what these are for. Okay, so this one is for double-sided, applying a mask. This is a mask applicator, and then this is a cleansing brush. So apparently you're supposed to use it to circular motions on your face. This is called a cleansing brush, and this is a dual-sided silicone mask applicator. Okie dokie. I'm going to use these. And no, probably not. They probably are not something I will use. These are $25. I mean, that's expensive for brushes, but up next we have this, and this is from Ciate London, and this is called Dewdrop. This is the Dewy, Glossy Highlighter Cheek Gloss. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So that is what it looks like here. Oh, I think I had one of these in like a tiny form. Let's just... yeah, I'm probably not going to use that. That isn't really my jam. Maybe I will give this a go. Feels like it would kind of gunk up my skin. And so this is Glow in a Tube. Gives cheeks a soft champagne-y shine with a gloss-like dewy finish thanks to plumping hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and dragon fruit extract. So this is $24. Okay. Up next is from Pink Lapines, I think it's called. And this is a tinted lip balm. I don't know what colors. It's called Fantasy, and if it's the same color as this, then cool, but I'm actually going to open it because I'm not going to use this. This is $12. I don't use tinted lip balms usually anymore. And then we have two more products in here, and this is an Ace of Beauty eyeshadow palette, I think. It's called Violet Sage. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, I like the packaging. Okay, that's not quite what I was expecting. I mean, it makes sense because, you know, green is in flowers, but yeah. Okay. I mean, I like these colors here. Those two I will not get any use out of. Am I going to keep this? That is a very good question. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I'm probably not going to keep this. Just because I have a lot of pink and purples already. I love pink and purple eyeshadow, so this isn't something I'm probably keeping. This is $23. Sorry, $33. Okay, and the last thing in here is from Avant. And this is a Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B3 Seawater Sweet Almond Anti-Aging Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Verifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Okay, so it's an eye and night cream. This is made from Italy, or made in Italy. Okay, so it's an eye and night cream. This is face and, okay. Sure. Says usage. Smooth pea-size amount over clean skin and gentle motions every evening. Holy sh... This is $134 for this. For this? Oh, shoot. I guess I better keep this. Yeesh. Wow. Okay. Well, there's that. So altogether, these 5 products costed, and I'm keeping maybe 2 of them. Maybe. This is a maybe. I'm keeping this because that's expensive. That is that. That was everything for Oh, that's really sticky. Gross. No, I'm probably not keeping that. So that was everything for September's Topbox and Boxy Charm. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!